Hello friends, welcome back to channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about the Leetcode contest question, which is for 18 Feb and which is organized at 8 o'clock. So this is the second one question in the contest. So we are discussing this question: find the length of the longest common prefix. So the contest, I want to show this is the contest, weekly contest 385, and we are going to solve the find the length of the common prefix, which is second one question. So second one question has a little bit tricky, so you have to just think about how you can optimize this question. While brute force is very easy to approach, but if you see this constraint, the brute force will not be applicable because it will go to the n square, which is not acceptable, and you have to do this question in n or 8 into n. So how you can do this? So first of all, we will understand what this question is telling. So we are given two arrays, arr1 and arr2, and we have to find the length of longest common prefix, so of prefix of two pairs. So if I take the arr1, the arr1 has elements 1, 10 and 100, and arr2 has element 1000. And what pairs you can make from arr1 and arr2 is that 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. And in these three pairs you have to find which has a maximum longest common prefix. As we can see, 100 and 1000 has a maximum longest common prefix, which is 100, and the length of 100 is 3, which we have to return in our case. So you have to just make the pairs, and while making the pairs you have to check what is the length of longest common prefix of that pair, and you have to check all of the pairs, and while checking the pairs, all of the pairs, you have to store the answer what is the length of common prefix between that two pairs, and in the end you have to return the we can say maximum length of longest common prefix. So one brute force approach you can do, you can traverse all of the elements of arr1 and arr2 by, with the two loops, with the two for loops, and take the all of the pairs, from arr1 and arr2, and check what is the length of longest common prefix between that two pairs, and in the end you will return maximum length of longest common prefix. But this solution is not acceptable as it will go to the n square. We have to do this solution in big O n. So what we can do, so this is the my approach. I have create the map. In map I have stored the all of the numbers of arr1. While storing numbers, I if I have number like 55, the prefix of 55 is have two numbers, one is 5, another one is 55, because 55 has two prefix, 5 and 55. So in map I am storing all of the prefix of arr1. I am storing all of the prefix of arr1. So if I have, like, I will give one example more to clearly understand. If I have 505 means 505, so what prefix I can make? 5, 5050 and 505, 505. So these three prefix can be made from 505, and these three prefix I am storing into the map. So all of the prefix which are can be possible from arr1 I am storing into the map. So what I am doing, I am taking that numbers arr1I, and while a is not equal to 0, I am putting the number into the map and reducing the number by one digit, and when it becomes 0 I will go to the next number of ARR1. So in the next iteration what I have done, I am declaring int count 0 and int uns 0. In this I am just checking if thousands prefix what we have thousand prefix, we have 1, 10, 100 and 1000. Prefix of 1000 has 4. First prefix is 1, then 10, then 100, then 1000. Means 1000 has a 4 prefixes. First one is 1, second one is 10, third one is 100 and fourth one is 1000. And I am making that prefixes of 1000 and checking if it is present in my newly created map or not. If it is present, then I am storing that length of that prefix. So what I am doing, I am just iterating the ARR2, and if I am creating the while loop a not equal to 0, and I am checking if a is present in the map or not. If it is present, then I am storing the length of that digit of that prefix in count, and also we have to maximize that length. So I am taking the another variable uns, and in uns I am storing the max of uns and count, and in each iteration I am doing one digit divide by 10, which makes the digit one digit lesser than previous one. So again I will check if that digit is present or not. If it is present, then I am storing that length and maximizing that length. In the end I will return the maximum length stored in uns. So if I run this code, it will get accepted. So judging finished, if I run this code, it will get accepted. So that's it.